In this video, I'm going to show you how to boost your Wi-Fi speed by changing one simple setting. Let's dive in and check it out. Press the Windows arrow keys, then tap ncpa.cpl. You'll find it in the description. Hit enter. From here, right-click your active internet connection. Then click Properties. In the Properties window, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Down here, select Use the following DNS server addresses. Then in a preferred DNS server, enter 1.1.1.1. In an alternate DNS server, enter 1.0.0.1. Hit OK and click Close. Again, right-click your active internet connection, click Properties, and click Configure. From here, click the Advanced tab. Scroll down the list of properties and select Preferred Band. From the corresponding drop-down menu on the right, select Preferred 5 GHz band and click OK. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like and subscribe to see more tutorials like this one. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in.